fluency is very important in this English journey. Let's suppose you speak English, okay? So you speak basic English. Hi everyone, this is me Sia. I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am talking about how you learn fast English, okay? So when people they start their English journey, so they have only one dream, that I am speaking this language, but they are not think that how I am learn fluency, okay? So fluency is very important in this English journey. Let's suppose you speak English, okay? So you speak basic English, but when you listen like other people, they are learn this language very fluently. They are belong to rural area, but they speak very good English and they get fluency. So when we are seeing them, at the time we think that I spend my lots of time in English journey, but now I am only speak basic English. So how I'm learn fluency, okay? We are not thinking about fluency. When we think, so we are improved, but we are not thinking. This is a very biggest problem, okay? So when we see other people, at that time we realize that I'm also speak like them, okay? But how you learn this language and how you getting fluency? So when you start your English journey, you know that at that time you only focus that how I speak this language, but when you speak this language, you improve slowly. At that time you not think that only one day I'm giving and I'm getting fluency. You spend your lots of time, like depends on your mind how you get word, okay? Why I'm telling you get your word? So when you improve your English and when you think about getting fluency, at that time you need to improve your vocabulary is very important, okay? If you use like a advanced word, so you improve, okay? So when you start getting fluency, at the time you also learn vocabulary. I'm not telling you that you learn 100 vocabulary in a day, no. If you think that you learn 5 word in a day, that's sufficient, okay? Because so many people they trying to learn this language, but their busy schedule, they are not learn this language, okay? So if you have only 30 minutes in a day, so that is sufficient, okay? Everyone they learn this language. So don't think that I don't have time, I am busy. And so many housewives they are thinking that I'm also speak this language, but whole day I'm doing working, so I'm not speak this language. So don't think like this, okay? Don't making excuses, okay? This language not need so much time, okay? People, if you have not environment, so you spend your 30 minutes, okay? If you have environment, so you don't need to give special time to this language, okay? You not need to 30 minutes because you have environment. Every day you speak this language, you write this language, okay? You listen this language. But if you not have environment, so you have 30 minutes, you need 30 minutes, okay? So what you doing in 30 minutes? 10 minutes you listening, okay? 10 minutes you practicing is very important, and 10 minutes you give learn vocabulary, okay? And if you think that you learn getting fluency, so you listen like other people video, they are speak very good English, okay? If you going to foreign country, they are speak very good English and their English is very advanced, okay? If we compare our English to them, so if you are beginner and you listen their English, at the time you not understand. You are perfect in basic English, but when you listen them, you are not understand anything, okay? So when you trying to listen them, so slowly you understand, okay? Don't think negative that I am not learn like them, okay? Because they spend their whole life, okay, to learn. They get that kind of fluency, okay? So if you think that you spend your 2-3 months and you getting fluency, so no. People demotivated, they think that I'm not speak like them and I'm spend my lots of time, okay, and I'm not getting fluency, and they are demotivated, then they quit their journey. But let me tell you friend, if you consistent with this language, so you getting fluency and one day you speak very good English, okay? But you need consistency. Without consistency we are not learn this language. And our if we break our consistency, so our biggest problem is that we are not have environment. Without environment we are demotivated. Be consistent with this journey like at least 6 months, okay? and then you improve, okay? But 6 months you are giving your 100%, okay? Don't think that I'm not learn this language and they are very good in, speak very good English, because they are also start with zero, okay? So don't think about them, you work on your English, okay? And if you improve this language, so you follow those rules, so you definitely speak this language, okay? So I hope you like this video. If you then, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video.